Here's a quick cabin tour of room 12096, which is a standard balcony aboard MSC Divina. All right, we'll start here behind the door. You have your emergency information, muster station information, all of that right there. Now you do need to put a card here to activate the lights. What better way to use my Disney cruise card? You have closets here. Oh, it opens this way. Life jackets. So a total of 3 closets. Oh, this one has drawer space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers there for you to store things. There is a safe. All right. You have a thermostat here. I turned mine to all cool and get it cooled down in here a little bit. Here's your restroom. I love that it has the shower door instead of the curtain. Toilet, towels, washcloths, all that good stuff. Sink. There is a razor outlet up here. And looks like some cabinet space down low. All right, and here you have king size bed. They do not give you an option in advance as far as how you want your bed. I'm not even sure if this comes apart, but you do have a lamp here. There's no USB port on this side of the room, but there is drawers here for you. Any information you need. Daily program, there is not an app for the MSC Divina currently, so your daily program is provided there. How to make your onboard payments. There's this huge mirror right here. Beautiful. Artwork. Let's come on this side. You have your telephone. Again, no USB port or outlet here by the bed. You have a couch. This couch does not convert into a bed. Table. Ottoman. And drawers. And you also have a hair dryer there. More information here for you. Looks like room service, menu. They do have 2 standard USB ports and 2 European outlets. Television, another mirror there. And there is a mini bar here. All right, feels pretty cold. All right, and then here is the balcony. Now what I like about this balcony is that one side of it is coved, meaning you can't hear or see the people on the other side. Whereas this side, it's open, but it seats 2. And we're overlooking Port Canaveral. All right, and that will be it for cabin 12096 aboard MSC Divina. Thanks for watching.